Hi, everyone. My name is Nicole Brown. I am a resident of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and I am 36 years old. I have three beautiful children, one girl and two boys. They are 14, 11, and 9. And this is my fifth class. I am happy to start this spring semester. I am even more excited to reconnect with some of my peers that I've had courses with in the summer semester. So it's nice to see that we're in the same course together. We'll be able to engage each other. I work for AmeriHealth Caritas. I've had several positions at the company. I've been there 8 years. Right now, I am a intake coordinator for the grievance and appeals department. So I've had a lot of opportunities with the company, but one that was very special to me that I felt proud to be a part of was an initiative dealing with social determinants of health. So that brings me to how I feel about mental health diagnosis. I think that there is a reciprocal relationship between social determinants of health and mental health, because having having a mental health condition can elicit one to make poor decisions within their life. It can lead to homelessness. It can lead to poor care of the self overall. In addition to that, I feel like there are a lot of communities who are plagued with self stigma as well as public stigma regarding mental health. So I think that this course, I think that any type of education, any type of advocacy as far as mental health and supporting and encouraging individuals to know that it's okay to be diagnosed with a mental health condition is really important. Specifically in my community, in the African American community, a lot of us, through generational trauma and generational ties, we kind of downplay mental health. So I think that as far as being diagnosed, I think that it is a positive thing because overall, with being diagnosed, you can improve the quality of your own life by getting the proper treatment. As far as DSM-5, I have never utilized it. I have went through it because I have friends and colleagues who are social workers or work in the mental health field. So I have seen it. I have perused through it, but I am excited to be able to utilize it in this course and learn more about it. I'm excited to learn more about mental health diagnosis and how they affect the human behavior. I also just want to know how the brain works as far as mental health. So I look forward to connecting with you all. I look forward to learning with you all, and I'll see you in class.